Hey everybody, this is Steven here, and today I went to my local train store today and I picked up another ScaleTrains Kit Classic Boxcar because, as you know, I really like these boxcars. I picked up the Burlington Northern version. It's really nice, and we're gonna be assembling this one to see how long it will take for me to assemble this. So, here we go. And as you can see, as you can see, it took a long time for me to assemble the boxcar just because there were some parts that were tough to screw in, so it took a while. So I did not beat my record. Yep. Thanks for watching. See ya.